Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Got my Jonsered 2186 with a 390 top end, 32-inch bar, and then I borrowed my buddy's 390 XP. It's similar build, I would say. Bring in the single port. You got a shoddy shotgun out the front. Now, to my knowledge is, or what I've been told is, this is a rebuilt. It's got a Meteor 55 mil, which is a 390, so it's a stock cylinder, just a different piston jug cylinder. This has a, I believe, a 28 inch, really? 28 inch bar. So we got a pretty good match up here. 390, shoddy shotgun, single port. 28, 32. I'm gonna tell you right now, I feel like this is heavier than that. I really wish I had a scale here to do that, but just, picking them up. We got same fuel, same oil, blah, blah, blah. The only difference is I just tickled the rakers on that, and I just sharpened this. This has not been sharp since I've done it. So that's really the only difference. Getting 4 inch. I'm gonna tell you right now, before I just throw any of this other stuff in, I went home and sharpened the saw, made the raker as the exact same as a Husky. Because, wow, I ain't gonna throw any of that footage in there. We're just gonna go to the house, back, sharpen. This is on bar, so 8 inch top bottom. We got some ash over here. We're gonna put it to test. So here's what I want to do. I want a 32 versus 28. Yeah, head to head. Got some ash over here. It's not, it's dead, but it's, I have to get in here and clean this spot out because this is where I saw last year at such video. But we're going to buck right on this piece here. I'm going to maybe, you know what, we might do this one right here. Yeah. So I'll saw a couple off the top with the Husqvarna. The way the chain will be, it ain't gonna be the same. Let's just face the facts. But I don't know. Maybe I won't. Maybe I got enough room there. Down. Up, to finish down. That cut, I did that up cut, and then I'll probably have to adjust the chain on that, and then we'll do another